Hello, Tom from Every Step Physics, EveryStepCalculus.com. A last of the free fall videos I'm going to do, I think. This newly discovered planet has twice the mass and 3 times the radius of the Earth, so this might show up in your test or homework. So I wanted to do a video for you on that. And that about does it for many of the problems in free fall. Physics to get to my menu. Already at planets. I'm going to scroll down here to free fall. And we're going to find the acceleration. Of another planet. Now I show you these. 6.378 e to the 6 is the radius of the Earth, because this is about the Earth. So I give you the heads up on that. Write those on your paper so you can, when you put them in the entry line, you don't have to memorize them. I kind of know them by heart, but I've done so many of these. But so anyways, we get through that, and we're asked to find the surface of the Earth. Okay, choose that. Is the mass given in the problem? Yes. I'm going to enter the mass. I have to press alpha first. Alpha. And what is the mass? It's twice the mass of Earth. So it's 2 times 5.97 times e to the 24 kilograms. Looks good to me, so we're going to always give the option to change it, of course. If you've seen my other videos, you know that's the way I operate. And we're going to enter the radius given. 3 times the radius of the Earth, I guess. So we're going to press alpha first. 3 times 6.378 times e to the 6 meters, number 3. So that's the computations for the radius. Say it's okay, and we start the calculations. Here's the formula. G equals G times the mass of the Earth divided by the r squared. And here's the answer. G equals 7.96 e to the 14 divided by 3.66 e to the 14. Excuse me. The answer is 2.1753 meters per second squared. Okay? So you have that for the rest of your life. If you buy my program and put them in this calculator, throw away your physics books, study materials, just keep this, and you'll always be able to do these problems for the rest of your life, which is cool, huh? They're only, what, 30 bucks physics programs. You get about 300 videos, and that'll answer most of your homework and physics test problems. So anyways, think about that. Go to my site, buy my program, and pass physics. Hey, good luck in your classes. Have a good one.